Welcome back to my channel. This video is for students who are preparing for next year Jamb. Jamb is few months from now and registration might either start January or February. If you are the type and you haven't started preparing, this is the right time to prepare. So there is a WhatsApp tutorial class, a WhatsApp group for next year Jamb, but it's only for science students. Please take note, only for science students. Um, and in the group, we are dealing with four subjects: chemistry, physics, maths, and biology. Chemistry, physics, maths, and biology. Okay. So if you are interested to join, chat this number on WhatsApp and take note. Payment is 2,000 naira. Yeah, only 2,000. So only a one-time payment of 2,000. After the 2K, you won't be paying any other money again. Okay. The 2K is not big compared to what we will learning in the group: chemistry, physics, maths, and